Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you the 8 best fermented foods and how they can improve our gut health. The good bacteria in fermented foods may improve digestion, boost immunity, promote a healthy weight, and more. Fermented foods like sauerkraut make great sandwich toppings, but did you know that you're also adding probiotics to your Reuben when you top it with the fermented cabbage? Probiotics are good bacteria that like to hang out in our guts and may improve digestion, boost immunity, and help us maintain a healthy weight. Research is still emerging on just how important these mighty microbes are for our health, and the results are promising. According to the National Institutes of Health's National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, research shows that probiotics may be helpful for a number of conditions, including diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, hay fever, infant colic, and periodontal disease. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics. The good bacteria grow during the fermentation process, and eating them is one way to boost your gut health. Eating more foods that are high in fiber, particularly probiotic-rich foods, is important for gut health. Here are 8 fermented, probiotic-packed foods. Add them to your diet for a healthy dose of good bacteria. Number 1. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is good for more than just topping a hot dog. Made from just cabbage and salt, this fermented food delivers a healthy dose of probiotics and fiber. A 2018 study in foods found that sauerkraut's microbiome grows rapidly during the fermentation process and stays stable during packaging for commercial sale. You can make your own or buy sauerkraut at the store. The kind sold in the refrigerated section will have more probiotics than shelf-stable canned or jarred varieties. Number 2. Kimchi. This spicy Korean side dish made from fermented cabbage and other vegetables is touted as having anti-cancer properties and other health benefits. For example, a 2018 review in the Journal of Nutrition and Health found that kimchi showed numerous health benefits, including protective effects against cancer, hypertension, asthma, and inflammation. Look for kimchi in the refrigerated section near pickles and sauerkraut. Eat it on its own or try it as a burger topper or atop tacos. Number 3. Kefir. A fermented milk drink similar to drinkable yogurt, kefir is full of calcium and probiotics. A 2021 review in Frontiers in Nutrition suggests that kefir may be useful for diabetes, cardiovascular disease, immunity, and neurological disorders. Just as with yogurt, the probiotics in kefir help break down lactose, so it may be easier to digest for people with lactose intolerance. Kefir is delicious in smoothies or by itself. Number 4. Kombucha. Kombucha is a tangy, effervescent, fermented tea that's rich and good for yeast and bacteria. The drink is often flavored with herbs or fruit. You can find kombucha in natural food stores, farmers markets, and your regular grocery store. A 2019 study in the journal Nutrients highlights kombucha's antioxidants, in addition to its good bacteria. A tiny amount of alcohol is sometimes produced during fermentation, usually less than 0.5% alcohol by volume. If you're not into the sour taste, try different brands and flavors. You might find one that works for you. Number 5. Miso. A fermented paste made from barley, rice, or soybeans. Miso adds a nice umami flavor to dishes. It's a bold taste, so a little goes a long way. Besides being loaded with good bacteria, miso is also high in protein, isoflavones, minerals, and fiber, according to a 2021 review in the Journal of Food Science. Miso is typically found in soups, but also makes salad dressings and marinades even more delicious and gut healthy. Number 6. Tempeh. Tempeh is made from naturally fermented soybeans. It's similar to tofu in that it's a plant-based protein made from soy, but unlike tofu, tempeh is fermented. It also has a firmer texture and a slightly nuttier flavor profile. Because it contains all the essential amino acids, it's a complete source of vegetarian protein. According to a 2021 review in Comprehensive Reviews in Food Science and Food Safety, tempeh has shown potential health benefits for numerous conditions, including gut health, cancer, cognitive function, lung health, cardiovascular health, liver health, bone health, and type 2 diabetes. Number 7. Yogurt. Yogurt is made by fermenting milk. Yogurt labeled with the live and active cultures seal guarantees 100 million probiotic cultures per gram at manufacturing time. According to the International Dairy Foods Association, even yogurts without this seal contain probiotics. The probiotics in yogurt help digest some of the lactose, so if you're lactose intolerant, you may still be able to enjoy yogurt. Many companies also make dairy-free and vegan yogurt options that contain probiotics. A 2021 review in Nutrition Review states that there are consistent associations between yogurt consumption and reduced risk of breast and colorectal cancers and type 2 diabetes, as well as improved cardiovascular, bone, and gut health. Number 8. Some cheeses. The first cheese is thought to have been created about 4,000 years ago when a merchant left a sheep's stomach pouch filled with milk out in the Arabian sun. Today, most cheeses undergo fermentation. Aged cheddar, Parmesan, Swiss cheeses, and some cottage cheese contain probiotics. Some evidence suggests that fermented cheese may help promote gut health and healthy cholesterol levels. Cheese is also a good source of calcium, but can be high in sodium and saturated fat. It is best to eat it in moderation and as part of an overall healthy diet. Fermented foods contain probiotics, which are good bacteria. Bacteria like to hang out in our guts and can influence our health. Fermented foods also often contain other health boosters, like protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Including fermented foods in your diet can mean better overall health, so try adding some to your plate each day. So what are your thoughts on the fermented foods, how they can improve your gut health? Feel free to share with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more health tips videos. You can also hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Thank you for watching.